Question 16. Which of the following statements is least appropriate with respect to Chaktis? A. A sacred place amidst nature with a shrine for worship. B. A funeral mound extended from the chitta or a funeral pyre. C. A sacred place for debates and discussions on life. D. Places associated with the life of Buddha. Question 17. In the context of history of India, consider the following statements. 1. The Hinayana is an orthodox form of Buddhism and believes in the original preaching of Buddha. 2. Theravadins is a subsect under Hinayana Buddhism. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 18. Which of the following are the components of Triratnas, 3 jewels, of Buddhism? A. Sutta, Vinaya, Abhidhamma. B. Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha. C. Darshana, Jnana, Charitra. D. Deepankar, Gautam, Maitreya. Question 19. In contexts of the various sects under Buddhism, consider the following statements. 1. Sthavirvada is a sub-sect under Hinayana Buddhism. 2. Lotus Sutra is an important text associated with Theravada Buddhism. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 20. Consider the following statements regarding Buddhism. 1. Abhidhamma Pitaka was compiled in the Buddhist council patronized by King Ashoka. 2. The Mahayana and Hinayana sect cropped up in the 4th Buddhist council. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 21. In reference to Buddhism, consider the following statements. 1. Padmapani is regarded as the bodhisattva of power. 2. Bodhisattva are both male and female. 3. Vajrayana Buddhism believes in the tantric practices. 4. Buddha was a contemporary of Bimbisara and Ashoka. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 and 4 only. D. 1 and 4 only. Question 22. Consider the following statements regarding Buddhism. 1. Buddhism believed in impermanence and the path of moderation. 2. It believes that societal relations are of divine origin and must be preserved. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 23. With reference to the history of India, the term Shalbhanjika denotes A. Woman depicted in Sanchi stupa that signifies the enrichment of Buddhism with other cultural beliefs. B. Woman depicted in the Sanchi stupa that signifies strength and wisdom to attain Nibbana. C. Woman depicted in the Sanchi stupa that signifies the spiritual experiences of a woman. D. Mahapajpati Gautami, first women to become a part of the Sangha order. Question 24. With reference to the history of India, the term Kudgashala refers to A. Place where prisoners were kept. B. Place where debates and discussions took place. C. Place for the storage of grains for the military. D. Place for the research on herbs and medicines. Question 25. With reference to the cultural history of India, consider the following. 1. Non-injury to a living being. 2. Do not steal. 3. Do not speak a lie. 4. Abstain from intoxication. 5. Observe chastity. 6. Abstention from corrupt practices. Which of the above-mentioned great woes are not related to Jainism? A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 4 and 6 only. C. 1, 2, 3 and 5 only. D. 1 and 2 only.